Do you know what coconut water does to the body? If not, watch till end. We will be taking a look at the ingredients that make up the ingredients of this drink and what it can do for your body. This will include all the great health benefits that you can get out of drinking the beverage. What is coconut water? It is basically water that has been completely filtered through the coconut husk. This includes any impurities that could potentially cause you any problems in your body. The other thing you will find in this drink is coconut oil. This is going to give your skin that natural moisturizing factor that we all need. It is also a great way to absorb any type of fat that you are carrying around. It will help remove all the toxins in your body and help to keep your system running smoothly. How does coconut water help the colon? Coconut water contains everything that your colon needs to perform at its best. Without the correct balance, it can slow down the entire process. A good drink of this liquid can help to get everything back in order and start working again. What is so good about this drink for keeping the bad bacteria out of your digestive tract? The fact that it is full of antioxidants will help to prevent damage to your cells. These cells are responsible for protecting your internal organs and keeping them healthy. This helps to protect you from many diseases. What are some other health benefits that you can get from drinking coconut water? Coconut water has high amounts of saturated fats that can help reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer. It is also full of phytosterols that will help promote heart health and reduce your risk of stroke. Water is one of the most important things in your body. Having access to healthy, clean drinking water is extremely important. Water provides us with the energy that we need to move around and function in our daily lives. Water is also something that we all take for granted. However, without the proper water, we all would not be able to do our jobs properly. Like driving, playing sports, etc. If you are a sports fan, you know just how important water is to have a healthy day at the game. You need the right amount of water in order to be able to cool down after a hot practice. You also need the right amount of water to drink as well in order to prevent dehydration. Do you know what happens if you do not have enough water in your body? Well, if you do not have enough water, you will feel weak and tired. Your body will not work as hard as it should. Healthy eating is important for everyone, no matter what your age or situation. Eating healthy meals, drinking plenty of water and exercising regularly will help you stay healthy. Healthy eating is also important if you are trying to lose weight. Healthy eating is just as important as drinking good water. Eating right is important, but having a healthy diet will not hurt the body. When you eat a good diet, you can fight off those extra pounds that can build up over time. The reason that drinking coconut water is so important is because it helps the body to operate in the way that it should be working. Healthy food is important for everyone, not just people who are trying to lose weight.